Higee Machinery was founded in 2005. It's a professional manufacturer in China who makes complete beverage and liquid washing filling and capping line. We also provide labeling and packing machines for all kinds of products, with a strong research and sales team, with good engineering background and service sense for customers. We are proud of our prompt feedback to clients' questions and inquiries. Our engineers can give customized design and solution as per client specific requirements. Our machine and service is highly praised by clients at home and abroad. Our company is verified by Alibaba and machine certified by CE. Our production base in Shanghai, Guangdong, and Zhangjiagang. Sales office in Shanghai downtown for handling export and transportation. Our machines are including carbonated and non-carbonated beverage and drink production lines, like water, juice, drinks, beers, and other liquids in PET bottles, glass bottles or cans. We also provide water treatment or pre-treatment machines, bottle blowing machine, cap injection machine if client needs one-stop purchasing. And we provide high viscosity liquid, pastes, powder, granule filling, and packing machines as well for different industries. The labeling machine is including sticker labeling, shrink labeling, hot melt glue, and cold glue labeling. We are willing to cooperate and develop long-term business relationship with all clients worldwide with one-stop solution. We always provide quality machines, service at reasonable price for customers to get win-win cooperation.
Higee Machinery, your good choice for filling, capping, and labeling machine.